back to my channel. It's me, Keenan. Hey. So today's video we are filming today is a basic hoe look and me being a dumbass at the same time. I haven't been back on YouTube for quite some time now, and I know everybody, I'm looking at the viewfinder. I know everybody's wondering why the hell I'm wearing a hat, but you know, it holds my hair back because my hair is damaged as hell. So I need something to hold it down to flatten it because dear God, can a blow dryer ruin my life? So, but yeah, let's get started. This is basically a get ready with me, talking to you guys, talking about what's up, what's in my life. I hate this lighting. So the lighting is being a dumbass bitch right now and I really don't appreciate it. Canum, I'm filming! If you guys hear music, it's my dumbass brother right next to me. So that explains everything. Okay, so first of all, let's get started with this tutorial because I really don't know how to start one anymore because I haven't been on YouTube for like ever. Okay, so we are using the new and improved Covergirl Trublend Base Business Skin Primer Illuminating because you know I like being a dewy bitch. So yeah, I know I'm gonna say so a lot. So you know what? Let's have a drinking game on that because you know if I say so a lot, then y'all bitches will die from alcohol poisoning. That's what we'll do. We'll make it a drinking game. Every time Keenan says so, take a sip of tequila or vodka or something. I know everybody's wondering like, what happened to you? Because you guys can see my scar and there's still a bump right here and like I can't feel right here because it's numb. But yeah, you guys will get a video on that later on. Just right now, I'm keeping it on that side because I really don't want to talk about it. Last shit went down. Now I'm going to be using the T40 foundation. This is the new one. It comes out in 2 weeks. I'm reviewing it for you guys because you know I fucking love you. This is the Covergirl Trublend Matte Foundation in T40 and it's a 12-hour wearing foundation and it's matte. So yeah. I'm sorry if the lighting gets really weird and wonky. I'm using natural daylight and yeah. So let's get this pump started. Oh, ooh. Oh, I know everybody's gonna be like, Keenan, why are you acting like this? Why are you acting weird? Why are you acting so weird? This is not you. You guys have not met the real Keenan and I'm bringing you guys him because, you know, I've been a fake bitch on here and well, I'm a fake bitch in real life too. So, no, I'm pretty nice. My friends will laugh at this video saying he's not fucking nice. But you know, I'm a bitch, but I'm a caring bitch. I care about people's feelings unless if I like you. If I don't, I can give 2 fucks. I know we're gonna be cussing a lot, but you know, who really cares? Ooh, this coverage though on this foundation. Turn down your music! So yeah. Basic update. I'm a photographer now, so that's really fun. But yeah, I'm a fashion photographer and commercial photographer now. And I shoot other stuff too. It's just like that's my main focus. Like a lot of shit has happened since the last time I talked to you guys. You know, I felt bad. Like I was like, you know what? I should go back onto YouTube. I really should. But you know, I have a life to live and shit to deal with and I just didn't have time for it. And since I quit my job and I basically just live at home doing nothing, I'm gonna start filming again. Because that's how it was the first time. So yeah, now that I'm not working and doing nothing, it's kind of just me fucking around. So I have a date tonight with my sugar daddy. So this tutorial is going to basically be like a 0 to 100. I'm so fucking white. No, I like it that way. I like being white. Okay, so I just put the rest of my foundation on because the lighting was freaking awful. So I'm just gonna go ahead and move on to concealer. So the concealer I'm gonna be using today is the Wet n Wild medium Tawny, and we're just gonna put this right here. But yeah, so like life update, I don't have a boyfriend. Never will, probably. You know, I don't need one. I'm pretty happy on my own. Like, I really don't need a boyfriend, to be honest. Like, you know, I'm beautiful, I'm hot, I'm everything you want. My name's Makeupbykeenan. Sorry, I was watching like Bring It On yesterday, and dear God, does that make me laugh. I watched all of them actually, majority of them. There's one that I do not like, and it just annoys the living fuck out of me. You know, people are gonna be like, Keenan, you're such a bitch. But you know, I'm not gonna be like, no. Because I am. But I'm a nice bitch. You know, I'm not like stuck up. Well, I'm not like rude. That's one thing. If like I'm not rude to you, like in your face, to your face. Oh my God. But like I'm not a rude person. Like I will say hi. Like if you guys say hi to me, like I'm like, oh hey, and everything. Like I won't judge you or anything. I'm not rude. Not rude like that. No. Not an asshole. Okay, so update. This foundation oxidizes like a shade down. Just to let y'all know. Covergirl Vitalist Healthy Concealer. We're just gonna put this all over. I know people are gonna be like, God, Keenan, you're so messy. But you know, I'm not gonna say no. So like this lighting is fucking up my life right now. But you know, we're gonna still keep on going. Because I have shit later to do. No, I know. But I like making myself think I'm important. Why is this lighting being a bitch? Like, can you please come back? Thank you. So I know everybody's wondering, like, what's the 411? Well, what are you up to, Keenan? This lighting was being a bitch to me right now. I think it's karma because, you know, I talked shit yesterday. It wasn't my fault, though. I know people are gonna be like, oh my God. You changed. You fucking changed. You know, that's how life is. You grow up, experience life, and you just go with the fucking flow. Oh, look at the light's coming back. Okay, so since the light is back and everything, we just blended out our freaking concealer, but you know, it's all good. It's all good. But yeah, this is how it's blended. You know, the usual. But now we're gonna be moving on to powder. You know, I'm a bougie ass bitch, but that's why I'm broke. And yeah, so right now we're just gonna be setting our under eye. I don't cake on my face anymore, just because I feel like there's no reason to. And I don't contour my nose, just because I'm pretty happy with my nose. I'm not like mad about it, but it could get better. But yeah, but like update, I lost 2 friends since like my last video. But you know, it's all good, because you know, fake bitches will be fake bitches. And I can't deal with those. I know people are gonna be like, well, Keenan, you know, I'm not a fake bitch. You know how I'm a good friend? It's because I will let you know if your outfit's bad. I will let you know if your makeup's bad. I will let you know if anything's bad about you. Because I am a good friend like that. I am an awesome friend. We're gonna be grabbing bronzer. So we're just going into this and just going like that. And I like bronzing, I don't like contouring. I like making myself look like I went to the Bahamas, went homeless for a good month, got a plane ticket, and went home. You know, people are gonna be judging me so hard in this video, and I really don't care. Oh, look at the lights back. Like, I'm so sorry if the lighting's bad. You guys can click out of the video. I already got my view. You know, I really don't care. Like, Instagram is just for fun. I really don't care if I get famous or not. I really don't give a shit. You know what I mean, guys? And it's definitely on because I still have my boo-boo on right here. So, moving on, we're going to be going to blush. We're going to blush now, guys. So, I know what blush we're using. We're using the Milani. I don't know what this is, the name of it, because I stole it. I'm kidding. But we're going to put it all over our cheeks, because, you know, I like being rosy. Like, when a cute boy passes by, you're like, hello. I like blush. I love blush. I love it to death. Like, if I had one thing, I love blush. But, you know, I'd rather pick eyelashes. Like, I'd rather pick, I don't know. I'd rather pick my eyebrows just because I love eyebrows, but I wouldn't make them this dark. Okay, so now that, like, everything has been happening, everything has been happening, like, shit has been happening. But, like, since I've been going back onto YouTube and, like, Instagram and everything, like, I've been going back to, like, my dramatic brows, because, you know, I'm a dramatico. For the eyes, this is the Pixie with Weylie Hong. If I said that right, I'm sorry. I'm the most whitest Native American you'll ever meet. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just use this palette. It's really cute. It has these shades in it. It's just like 6 shades. So I'm just gonna move on along and blend. But I don't know. I've been thinking about like doing videos again and all that, and you know, I was like, you know what, I need to be loyal to my subscribers. I need to be loyal to my followers. So, you know, I have not been loyal. I've been like MIA sometimes, and I don't know what to say. Oh yeah, an update. I quit my hair school that I went to because, you know, they sucked ass. They really did. I'm not gonna say who they are because, you know, they can come after me. And if they, okay, what happens if they come after me after this video? I didn't even say their name. Dear God. You know, some people are so dramatic. All they want is like money. They're money hungry. You know, I'm money hungry too, but not that money hungry. I'm not desperate to fucking charge students $5 grand for random shit that they don't fucking need. But yeah, that's the eyes. Yeah, Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm gonna be taking the color Real Grr, and I'm just gonna be grabbing this brush from Morphe. I'm just gonna go into this because, you know, I love orange. I love myself a good orange. And I'm cute. No, I'm not. I'm the most ugliest person you'll ever meet, but I'm cool with it. Boyfriend sometimes. I wish I had a boyfriend, but you know, I can never have a boyfriend because I'm the most pickiest bitch you'll ever meet, but I'm cool with it. I'm all gooch. It's all Gucci with me. So I'm gonna be grabbing this eyeshadow palette. It's by Frankie Rose. It's really cute. Oh God. I'm gonna be using this color right here though. It's called Sunkiss. And I'll be grabbing a brush, which is this. But I'm going to be spraying just a little bit of setting spray into it just to kind of lighten it up. And we're just going to put it on. Let's just put it on right here and call it a day. I have to put it on with my finger because I cannot do my life with my brush. I used to, but you know, I've been getting dirtier and uglier, and it's just been going downhill. But you know, I still do my makeup. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna move on to, we're gonna take off this powder. Putting on highlight. Highlight I will be using today is the Artist Couture highlight, and let's see. I'm using Illuminati, and I'm just gonna be putting it all over my face. I like how a lot of people like take me seriously, but I'm not being serious. Ooh, oh, hello, baby. You know, I have 2 new friends in my life, 2 best friends. I know people are like, well, Are they really your best friend? And I'm like, yes, because they know too much about me. If I have to quit them, they'll die. They know too much. So now moving on, we're gonna be curling my lashes. No, I should be outlining my lips. And this is the MAC lip pencil in Boldly Bear. I know people are like, why are you outlining your lips? But you know, I'm a hoe. I like catfishing men for fun. Because you know, this isn't just like a natural tutorial. It's a natural tutorial, guys. No, it's a basic hoe look. So you can be a hoe, get good dick, and be proud. For the liquid lipstick, this is Doe Rivers and Taffadol. I don't know how to say this correctly. But this is the lipstick. So that's what we're wearing. What? I'm ready to be put on. I'm using the Everlasting lashes in, you can read it, Aquamarine, and they're pretty damn big. Honestly, this look is cute. I look like shit. It's okay. It's all good. I'm actually gonna do it off camera, guys. I'll be back. So this is how the look looks. My hoe look. And yeah, it's cute. It's okay. I think it's okay. Like, I'm not gorgeous or anything, but you know, it gets the job done. But I guess I have to close everything now and go on with my life. And yeah, because so I just got off a grinder and I'm gonna go with a dude in like 5 minutes. No, I'm kidding. I hope you guys like this, I guess, review of the foundation and my hoe look all together in one. But yeah, so I hope you guys have a wonderful, fantastic day. And yeah, let me take a drink of water. I think Vosh just sponsored me. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. The links and everything to my Instagram will be down below in the description box and all that stuff. Yada, yada, yada. But yeah, so I'm gonna go. I have to go. I've been sitting here for 30 minutes because the sun wouldn't go away. So, but yeah. But, bye.